Thoroughly cleaning your meat grinder after every use is crucial for your health and the longevity of your grinder. So here's how to do it, in a few easy steps. First, make sure you have everything you need. Now let's get started. Step 1. Run pieces of bread one at a time through the grinder. Step 2. Wash each component by hand. Do not put in dishwasher since the appliance can crack under the high temperatures. Step 3. Use a dry towel to dry each piece individually to avoid rust. Step 4. Wipe a food-grade mineral oil over grinder and attachments. Step 5. Store the disassembled grinder parts individually in rice to remove all excess moisture. There you have it, a helpful tip brought to you by the Sears Knowledge Center.